What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Literally, look at the size of this place, but also, listen. Just take you over here. Might be able to see. That is construction companies demolishing this place as I explore it. I thought I'll have one little look around. Weren't works. Don't ask me how long this video is going to last, because there's construction behind me, there's construction vans going around in front of me, there's excavators going around. Obviously it's not unsafe at the minute, they're not tearing down the building as I walk. But it's something I first explored maybe 5-6 years ago. Haven't been back here since. I just thought I'd seize the opportunity to do one little last look around. As you can see, it's stripped. A couple of years ago they had an illegal rave in here. Don't know if some of you remember that. Let's get out of sight a minute. Some lovely corridor shots up in this place though. It's going to be a fun one though, because I have to obviously get out of here. I've probably been seen walking in here. I wasn't too conspicuous, I just walked in. There's no point in hiding if you're asked to leave. Don't be a dick, just leave, innit? As you can see, there's not a lot left here. Been a bit sneaky. Again, it's one of those videos, this is a dirt bin, there's not a lot left. It's just trash, it's been vandalised, it's been burnt down, the water's coming in, elements are coming in. The best bit about finding something like this is an odd bit of graffiti. But it's heightening up getting back into the explores. I seriously cannot wait to do, especially some proper big locations. Little stairs. Some lovely architecture this would have been back in the day. Caught in a nail. Stuff they get up to makes you think, doesn't it? What's going on there, like? Trying to pan slow as well, because this new 4K, 5K GoPro picks up that motion a little bit more. I tell you what, I'm so impressed with the sound quality of this as well, compared to the previous GoPros. You hear the excavators moving. It's nonetheless, it picks up back downstairs. Actually, before we do that, let's just show this view. That's the M4 bridge. It's not something you get to see every day. So as you can see, over there, in the distance, is actually an excavator doing a bit of work. Moving some things. Awesome. So I'd say what, I think I might just wrap that one there, innit? I think we've done it all, we've seen it all, what I can do anyway. This is a short and sweet video, almost see it as a teaser. But let's film you on the route out. Nice little pit. What's that saying here? Don't take me back when I used to be golden. Alright, cowboy. Follow the block. I think that's it, boys and girls, for this one. Nonetheless, you never get to see the M4 like that, do you? Actually, that timing was pretty good, to be fair, because I came in when the excavator was over here and going out when the excavator's over there. That's how it works, isn't it? So there we go. Nothing special about this place. More so, trip down memory lane for me. But I wanted to take you guys along for the visit earlier. Well, also, it's a little bit of an explore. Nothing spectacular, but still an explore. You know, I'm just doing stuff as of when I can at the minute. Obviously, until lockdown stuff is over. I'm in the area buying stock today. That's the reason why I'm here. So peace and love as per usual. Don't forget, Viking Views. Head on over and check our stuff out. There's some cool stuff here. But until next time, bye.